Welcome to my channel Connection. Today we will discuss Excel for the beginners. I am working on Excel 2016, but it is almost same for Excel 2007 and above, apart from a few differences. In an Excel worksheet, at the top we have 7 tabs. Home is the default tab. The 7 tabs are Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Ribbons are the commands under each tab. Ribbons or Insert menu. Each tabs have many groups. Ribbons under Home tabs have 7 groups. They are Clipboard group, Font group, Alignment group, Number group, Style group, Cell group, and Editing group. Different tabs have different ribbons and groups. Page Layout, Theme group, Margin, Orientation, etc. under the Page Setup group. Scale to Fit group, Sheet Option group, Arrange group, etc. Formulas are Function Library. Function Library under the Formula group. Defined names, Formula Auditing, etc. Dialog Box Launcher. We see, suppose in Page Setup, a small downward pointing arrow located at the bottom right corner of the individual groups. This is the Page Layout Dialog Box Launcher. From here, we can change page orientation and margin of a page. Click here. From here, page orientation, we can change the orientation in portrait or landscape, change the paper size, etc. etc. We can also change margins. Click on Margin tab, Header, Footer, Shape. The same menu appear if we click on Scale to Fit Dialog Box Launcher. Same menu appear. In font Dialog Box Launcher under the Home group, if we click here, we get the font. We can change the font name, size, etc. Here we can also change the number, alignment, border, fill, protection, etc. We can collapse and show the ribbon anytime by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl plus F1. Ctrl F1. We can also collapse the ribbon from the pop-up menu. For this, right-click any part of the ribbon, then collapse ribbon, click on collapse ribbon, ribbon collapsed. To show the ribbon again, you see the upper side, a right arrow button. Click here and click Show Tabs and Commands. It reappear again. A spreadsheet is made up of lot of rows and columns. But how many rows in a spreadsheet? For this, there are 10,48,576 rows. How to reach the end of the row? Click End button first and then press Control button and down arrow key. We reach at the end of the row. To return the beginning, just press Home, Control, Home. Okay. There are lot of columns in a spreadsheet. How to reach at the end of the column? Press End button and right arrow. We reach the end of the row, that is, it is XFD. To come back the first cell, we just press Home button from our keyboard. To remove grid lines, click on View tab, uncheck the grid line box. The grid lines are disappear. To show the grid lines, tick the box. Change the color of the grid. Right-click on the ribbon. From the pop-up menu, click on Customize the ribbon and click Advanced. Scroll down. Grid line colors present under Display option of this worksheet. From here, we can change the color. One thing, remember that the grid lines are non-printable lines, so it has no impact on our printed area. Choose any color. We choose a light blue color. Click OK. Grid lines color are changed. To show the original color again, click on Customize Ribbon, Advanced, scroll down, click Grid Color, Automatic. OK. The colors of the grid are changed. That was all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in the next video.